Hey guys, what's up? Here we are, Thursday, 12-7, part 2. Super easy one today, 5 or 6 questions, piece of cake. We're just going to talk about line plots today and how to look at line plots and how to analyze them. And there's a little bit of fractions, but not too much. Should be a piece of cake for you. Just wanted to let you guys know I miss you very much. I'm getting so many nice messages from your moms and dads, and I talked to some of you guys today. If you didn't get a call from me today, probably tomorrow or Friday. I'm trying to touch base. If you have any questions or whatever, anything you need, just let your mom or dad know, and have them ask me when I talk to them. All right. So I hope all is good. I hope you're rocking this out. You guys are doing a wonderful job. I'm actually going up to the classroom on Friday. How weird is that? It's gonna be so weird to be there. I feel like it's been so long already. And then I don't know. So you guys ready to rock? Let's do it. We're gonna start off with some multiplications. Keep counting. Count with me. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now we don't count anymore. 33, 36. Ooh. Pam's stomping on the floor upstairs. I think I'm too loud. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now we have 44, 48. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Sevens ready. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. Now we know them as well as 70, 77, 84, 8 and 8 are 16, 24 and 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72, 80, 88, 96, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108, 10, 20, 30, 40, 56, 78, 90, 100, 110, 120. Let's go 11s. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. And today's 12. Let's give a shout out to Madison Paris. Oh man, sent me the nicest drawing. So cool. Nice note. Miss you so much, kiddo. Keep up the good work. You are rocking out. So this one is for you. Let's go 12s. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132 here, 144 there, here 12, there 12. Now we know our times 12. Old me had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. All right, guys. Today we're going to start off, we're going to count by halves to 10. So real quick. Remember the trick with halves, like half and then a whole, a half and then a whole, a half and then a whole. So let's count by halves. Count with me, ready? So it's a half, 1, 1 and a half, 2, 2 and a half, 3, 3 and a half, 4, 4 and a half, 5, 5 and a half, 6, 6 and a half, 7, 7 and a half, 8, 8 and a half, 9, 9 and a half, 10. Cool. Then we're going to count to fourths. Now the trick to fourths is it's going to go 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and then the whole. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 whole. And then it just goes to the next whole number. Okay? So we'll go, I said 10. Let's change that because that might take too long. Let's go to 6. All right, let's go 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 1. Then it goes 1 and 1/4, 1 and 2/4, 1 and 3/4, 2. 2 and 1/4, 2 and 2/4, 2 and 3/4, 3. 3 and 1/4, 3 and 2/4, 3 and 3/4, 4, 4 and 1/4, 4 and 2/4, 4 and 3/4, 5, 5 and 1/4, 5 and 2/4, 5 and 3/4, 6. Okay, so today's fourths, and now what we're going to do, let me get myself out of the way. And so I made a line plot. Oh, I thought I was going to sneeze. There it is. Woo. Lengths of caterpillars. So we're going by, you notice fourths, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 1, 1/4, 1 2/4, 1 3/4, 2. Fake data, but if you're not watching Miss Cork's growing those caterpillars, watch it. Pretty cool. That was our next science unit we're going to do after we got from wolves. Pretty cool, pretty neat, and important information you'll need for 4th grade science, the life cycle of a butterfly. Pretty cool. So check this out. So what we need to do is now today they're going to give us line plots, and we have to look at them and be able to answer some questions. Okay. So say they said, which one had the greatest number? So you'd say, okay, well, which one is the biggest one? And it looks like to me, this one has 5, which is the most. So 1 and 1/4. If they said, what was the greatest length of a caterpillar? Well, then you'd have to look at the largest one all the way at the end, and that would be 3. I don't know why I had any at 0, because they couldn't be 0. Or we said, what is the shortest length of a caterpillar? Then you'd have to go all the way down this end, 1/4. And then they'd say things like, which one had 3? And you say, okay, 3/4 and 2 both had 3. So you're just looking at the information on there, and you're going to be just looking at it and breaking it down. Or if it says, how many were 1 and 1/4 or 1 and 2/4? And then you would have to add. Or if it said, how many more 1 and 3/4 than 2? And then you would have to subtract. So you're going to have to do some problem solving with adding or subtracting. Okay. And then there was one question on there I wanted to point out. It said something like this. It said, how many more were, say, less than 1 and 2/4 than greater than 1 and 3/4? So what you'd have to do on that one is you'd have to say, okay, let me take a look at all these and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And on this side, greater than 1 and 2/4 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So then I just have to subtract 14, take away 13 would be just 1. Okay? So that's how you would do that question. And then the other thing is sometimes they're just going to give you like a data table, and they're going to say like, how many dots would be at 1? So you'd have to look and say, okay, there's 1, 2, 3 ones. Or how many dots are greater than 2? And you'd say, okay, that's 1. 2, is that greater? No, it's the same. That's 1, so 2 are greater. So sometimes they're going to give you a line plot, or sometimes they're just going to give you the data table, and you'll just use that and figure it out. All right. Pretty easy lesson. Keep up the good work. If you missed any lessons this week, just knock them out, catch up. You guys are doing a great job. I'm very impressed. Happy Thursday. Enjoy your day. Keep up everything you're doing. Moms, dads, thank you so much. You guys are doing a wonderful job.